connecting positive charging ports, which is the V bus. It's usually called V bus. So this V bus, you can also call this V bus plus, which is positive. Positive. So every charging port, let's say this is charging port now, the outside. This is the outside, then this is the inside. So depend on the charging ports. If you are using like type C, for instance, there are some type C, their positive will be on this extreme end, either left-hand side or right-hand side. Okay, so some will be right-hand side, then the negative left-hand side, while some will be left-hand side positive, then the other side negative. Okay, then remember you have other pins in between, which are usually data cable, you know. So if you take from let me use D1, what is D1? The normal USB charging ports, so they can understand it easily. So let's say this is USB ports, okay? Charging ports. That is charging ports. Let's say this, this is the entrance, the outside. This is the outside. So this is the inside. So all those Android ports usually have 5 pins inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's say depends. So it can either be plus or minus. Or let's take another one. Let's take another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this can either be plus or minus. So how do you know it as a beginner? How do you know the side is plus or minus? Just put your charger, plug your charger here. Plug your